Hello, welcome to 3-bit error correcting modified linear block course. This is a patented application by Dr. Seema Prashant Talmale, and the co-applicants for this patent are Dr. Shrija Unnikrishnan, Dr. B.K. Lande, Dr. Shilpa Kevje, and Mr. Prashant Talmale. This invention is about designing of the error correcting code for deep space mission. As per the standards of Consultative Committee of Space Data System, binary GOE code is used for deep space mission, and there is a provision of use of LDPC codes. The design code in this invention is 3618 MLBC. Now, if you look at the history, NASA launched Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft for getting the information and clicking the pictures of various planets such as Jupiter and Saturn. And due to the memory constraints, the Reed-Muller code, which was earlier used in this spacecraft, was replaced by GOE code, which is found to be a good error correcting code. Now, the error correcting code proposed in this research is also having the code rate of half and promising Burr characteristic. Further, code developed in this particular research is very simple to design with the simplest mathematical modeling, and such code can be used for high frequency radio system environment. Now, in literature, it is mentioned that control system and error correcting codes, they are related, but how to construct the codes from control system was found missing, and moreover, designing of the error correcting codes with a greater distance between the code words is also required in order to have the improved performance rate. So zeal to solve these problems become the motivation of this study. Now, the main objective of this invention is to design 3618 MLBC, which will be having the performance very much comparable and simple than the GOE code, which is the code used in the spacecraft Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Also, the simulation work and experimental work for this particular designing has been performed on advanced computing software. So this is the designing and analysis of the experimental work. So basically, we have considered a completely controllable discrete size system. X of k plus 1 is equal to ax k plus buk. We have sampled this particular system at the various interval of time to get UTM, that is upper triangular matrix. Also, we have designed distance increasing mapping ST hash, and we have applied it to the earlier designed UTM. We have designed the generator matrix, which can be used to design the required 3618 MLBC. The simulation work for the developed 3618 MLBC is established on an advanced computing software. The minimum distance between the code words for 3618 MLBC is found to be 8, and that's how its performance is comparable to the GOE code, and it is found to be designed with the simplicity. So this is the mapping algorithm ST hash, which is used as a distance increasing mapping. These are some simulation results. The developed code is a 3618 MLBC. This is the performance of 3618 MLBC, which is comparable to the GOE code, and the developed code is found to be designed with the simplicity. Now, the algorithmic approach developed in this research can also be extended to design longer length codes with a good minimum distance property, and which will be even comparable to the LDPC code, which are the proposed code for the deep space mission, as per the standards of CCSDS. Thank you for watching 3-bit error correcting course.